once again, it's a bit but it's the surrounding is pretty good. हमने walk भी किया ना, बड़ा अच्छा लगा. So I'm Manali. Uh, I'm highly obliged to Tejasvi ji. It's my destiny, and I'm very fortunate that I got in touch with Tejasvi ji through my brother-in-law. Um, it was all about timing. We were looking for a land, we got the land, and then I was looking for someone who could guide me for Vastu. And then that's how I got introduced to Tejasvi ji, and then
Then we build her house from the scratch, and this is the
Yes.
great experience in America. How you can just take a land and then start instead of the
Just
already
ready-made
developed
house.
ready-made house. How she has gone through
Through
this
the
journey,
process.
she will share with us.
yeah, let's go inside, right? Okay, so it all started with guidance about. So our design was ready, but then we showed it to Tejasvi ji about does everything look okay? We love this design, and then Tejasvi ji said the design is awesome, but it should be vice versa. I think it was something about the weight. South was heavy,
Yeah.
it should be heavy, and our north side was rather heavy. So we actually flipped the house. We asked the architect to flip it, and then that's the biggest change, one of the biggest changes that we had. And after that, it was the layout of things inside the house. We did the Bhumi Pujan under her guidance. Then we did the foundation, Neev Pujan. What should we put in the Neev? Then the third thing, which was very important, was what should we put in the base of the northeast corner, where if you see, this is our office come puja room. That's our mandir. Even, oh, I have to mention that also. We got the mandir customized done from India, but what wood should we go for? What kind of peaks should the mandir have? All those guidances, thankfully, Tejasvi ji guided us so well. So what is there underneath it, under the flooring? What gems or things we should put for the well-being of the house? So she guided us. This is a recent change, I have to mention this. So before she came, we were facing the window and sitting like that, and the one thing that she immediately mentioned was, your back is towards the guard. That's not the right way to sit. So we flipped the entire setup, and hopefully things will rock now.
They will, yeah.
And so she also guided us with what kind of color the wall should be, what is good for, my husband's name is Ahmed, so what is, depending upon our stars, what colors suits our family with respect to Ahmed's stars, with respect to my stars. She guided us that. And I think the design fell in Vastu also, because we have this east side facing. On the top there are all glass windows, if you see. So when the sun rises, the sun comes directly over inside the house. All the morning rays come inside, and this, we were fortunate enough. Today she witnessed it, and she said it is actually by Vastu. It seems it's very good.
Three years back we started this, and the small changes I guided. People generally are not ready to do that, but she thoroughly follow it, and she made, not willingly, but sometimes
Sometimes,
changes.
yes, sometimes
And I
yeah.
made her change it, and she's.
And I'm so thankful that instead of going by what I want, you said that this is the right decision for you, just go by it. And it's all about, I think, faith and trust. I have so much of faith in what she decides, what she decided for a family to go with. Things have really worked. So yes, now I keep bothering her for everything, because everything has worked so well for me. So even for, if you see the kitchen, she did guide me that don't go with the blue island because it's water element. But I really wanted blue color, so I went for a very deep color, which she said it's okay because then it's not representing water. So if you see from here, there is our pool on this side. So I really wanted the pool to be on the back side of the house, but unfortunately by builder's layout and the town rules, it was not fitting in. So it was supposed to be here, but Tejasvi ji guided that if you push the pool a bit more further, it won't be good for our family's health, family members' health. So we made sure that we fall into the alignment, and yeah, she is. She checked it, and we got a green check, 100 out of 100. We did a good job. Everything is within alignment, so that is a good piece. That if we wouldn't have taken her advice, I think it would have been at the wrong place, because that's where we were thinking to put in. Right?
It's all your credit and everything. I go to our Vedas, where I have learned from, and to my guru. So that's how I could guide her perfectly, and she follows everything.
Yeah. Even if I show you in our dining area, we have, remember Tejaswiji, I used to ask you, where should I put my aquarium?
Yeah.
So,
Northwest corner.
the northwest corner. So, we have a little aquarium, and I really wanted to see that what is the perfect location of the aquarium, and she guided that northwest. So we were earlier thinking of doing it in the worship area or in the office, but with her guidance, okay, that's not the right place. This is the right place. And again, like, there are so many things that she has told us, and most of it I know the reasoning, but there are many things that she said, do this, and I did this. If I do not know if you noticed or not, there is a Ganesha swastik when we enter inside the house, and if you see on top of the house over there, right above the main door, there is Ganesha's little idol wall hanging. All this is her guidance that do this.
So since you live in this house, it's been 3 years, I guess.
Yes, this December it will be 3 years.
How's your experience here after this Vastu compliant house? How do you feel?
Amazing, amazing. There were so many things that I was just discussing with Tejaswiji, that social, like we are very social. We love social life. We love friends. But for some reason in the previous house, no matter how much effort we put in, it was just not happening. I see that there is a logic behind the house number also, which you said that plays an important role. But by God's grace, health, wealth, most important thing, peace of mind. Everything. And I think the more benefit we are getting, the more we are getting deeper into Vastu does scientifically play a very, very important role. So thank you to Tejaswiji.
Thank you so much for sharing, and the house will bless you always. It has been. I'm very happy that I came yesterday and I got to see the house. That the way I guided, is it same or not? And I'm very happy that it's perfectly the maximum rules we have applied in this house for Vastu.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much, Tejaswiji.
You're most welcome.